Today we saw one of the most compelling stories of the 2026 Winter Olympics. The journey of Henri Rivers IV, the 18-year-old American-Jamaican Alpine skier representing Jamaica in the men's slalom in Bormio, Italy. For Rivers, this moment was historic. Not just a race, but a lifetime dream. Born on August 24, 2007 in New York City and raised on snow alongside his triplet sisters, Henri grew up skiing almost as soon as he could walk. His entire family, both parents ski instructors, helped shape this Olympic journey that started more than a decade ago. He even had the honor of carrying Jamaica's flag during the opening ceremony, a symbol of pride and representation for his nation's small but passionate Winter Olympic team. On February 16th, Rivers took his place at the gate for Run, one of the men's slalom, a technical event where precision and split-second timing matter. But today the slalom course proved unforgiving. Ultimately, Henri recorded a DNF, did not finish. In elite skiing, that usually means a missed gate or a mistake forced him out of the run, something that happens to even the best, especially on a course this demanding. Out of 96 starters, many competitors failed to complete the first run today under tough conditions. While the result isn't what Rivers had hoped for, this doesn't mark an end. It marks experience earned. At just 18, this was his Olympic debut, and one that puts him among the youngest skiers on the world stage. Henri isn't just skiing for himself. He's carrying the legacy of his family's journey. His triplet sisters, Henia and Helena, trained with him for years and even narrowly missed qualifying themselves for these games. Together, they hope to one day all represent Jamaica at the Olympics, perhaps as soon as France 2030. And Henri's presence here has a broader impact, too. As one of the few black athletes in a sport that's still striving for greater diversity, his participation sends a message: skiing belongs to everyone. Rivers' path to the Olympics wasn't easy. Training around the world, attending ski academies, travel, and resources. But this is only the beginning. At 18 years old, Rivers has years ahead to refine his craft, lower his results, and bring more consistency to high-pressure events. Many elite Alpine racers don't hit their prime until their mid-20s. Henri has time on his side. So while today's result shows DNF on paper, the real story is experience, courage, and legacy. Henri Rivers IV is not just a competitor. He's an inspiration. And if this year's Olympic course taught him anything, it's that the future is wide open. Keep watching. This is a young athlete destined to keep raising the bar for himself, his family, and Jamaica in winter sport. Like, share, and subscribe for more.